Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to unfollow someone directly from a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your computer. This feature has recently been updated, making it even easier to manage who you follow without needing to visit their profile. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your X homepage, start scrolling through your timeline until you find a post from the account you'd like to unfollow. This could be any tweet that appears on your feed, just make sure it's from the person or page you want to stop following. Next, take a look at the top right corner of that post. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a quick menu of options related to that post. This is where X has gathered several quick actions that help control your experience on the platform. From the list of options that appears, find and click on Unfollow. The moment you select it, X will immediately remove that account from your following list. You won't need to confirm it or perform any extra steps. The change takes effect right away. After that, you'll notice their future posts or updates will no longer appear in your main feed. This is a simple and effective way to clean up your timeline and keep it filled with content that truly interests you. Whether it's decluttering your feed from old interests or just keeping things more relevant, this quick unfollow option gives you full control without extra clicks. And that's all it takes. Open X, find a post from the account, click the 3 dots, choose unfollow, and you're done. Managing your following list on the web has never been easier with this new update. Thanks for watching.